Welcome to Review Lab. The best folding whiteboard is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving tools you can add to your home office, classroom, or creative studio, offering a flexible surface for brainstorming, planning, and presenting that can be easily tucked away when not in use, making it an ideal solution for maximizing your available space without compromising on functionality or style. Number 5. TANKEE Magnetic Desktop Foldable Whiteboard. This small whiteboard is built to last, yet it's lightweight and portable. It even features a handle on top, making it perfect for taking on the go. Enjoy a super smooth writing surface that's a breeze to wipe clean without leaving any stains. Its strong magnetic board is also perfect for any magnetic accessories. The aluminum alloy stand can be adjusted to various angles for comfortable use. This design ensures it stands securely on your desk, adapting to your needs. This versatile dry erase board is ideal for a variety of settings, including classrooms, offices, and even for home use. It's a great tool for teachers, students, and managers alike for learning, presentations, and more. Everything you need is right in the box. This kit includes the presentation board, magnets, an eraser, and markers, so you can start using it right away. It's perfect for drawing, practicing handwriting, and playing educational games. This board grows with your child, serving as a fun tool for entertainment and later for schoolwork. What we like. This one is incredibly portable, making it perfect for anyone on the go. If you need a whiteboard for travel, presentations, or just moving between rooms, its built-in handle and lightweight design are ideal. It also comes with everything you need to get started right away. What people say. The whiteboard is very sturdy and easy to set up. It's a great size for my home office and the folding design makes it easy to store. The surface is smooth and erases cleanly, which is perfect for brainstorming sessions. Number 4. Small Self-Adhesive Whiteboard Sticker 12x18. Never let a great idea slip away. This compact whiteboard sticker fits perfectly in tight spaces, transforming wasted gaps into a functional spot for your grocery lists or daily reminders. Enjoy a premium writing surface that resists staining and erasing shadows, even after extended use. You can write, wipe, and rewrite your to-do lists endlessly without the mess. This sticker features a strong, sticky backing designed to stay permanently on smooth surfaces. It's perfect for non-magnetic surfaces like wooden cupboard doors where traditional magnets won't work. Turn your cabinet door into a mini gallery. The internal layer allows it to hold lightweight magnets, perfect for pinning up recipes, photos, or appointment cards. Tailor it to your needs. The grid-lined backing makes it easy to cut into smaller shapes for storage bins or desk edges. Ensure a smooth application by laying it flat before peeling. What we like. If you're looking for a space-saving solution for small areas, this sticker is a fantastic choice. It adheres directly to surfaces like cabinets or lockers, transforming them into usable writing spaces without taking up extra room. Its customizable nature means you can cut it to fit any nook or cranny. What people say. The whiteboard is very sturdy and stable, even when fully extended. It's also lightweight and easy to move around. The writing surface is smooth and erases cleanly. The included markers and eraser are a nice bonus. It folds up compactly for storage and doesn't take up much space. The magnetic surface is a great feature for holding notes and papers. Number 3. Warasee Self-Adhesive Magnetic Whiteboard Sticker. Transform any smooth wall into a dynamic hub for your work. It's an ideal replacement for bulky traditional boards, blending seamlessly into modern office aesthetics. Tired of stained boards? Our high-quality material offers a superior writing experience that erases cleanly every time. Enjoy a spotless surface even after extended use. Installation is a breeze with no tools required. Simply peel and stick to any smooth surface for a secure hold. The grid-lined backing even allows for easy custom trimming. This surface does more than just writing. Its magnetic receptive layer lets you display notes and photos with lightweight magnets, adapting to your needs. Enhance your daily productivity with this professional-grade whiteboard. Organize your ideas with clarity and experience the difference of a no-ghosting surface. What we like. For professionals and remote workers who want to maximize their workspace, this wall film is a game changer. It turns any smooth wall into a large, clean writing surface without the bulk of a traditional board. If you value a sleek, modern look and a ghost-free experience for brainstorming and planning, this is the one. What people say. The whiteboard is very sturdy and stable when it is unfolded. It is easy to fold and unfold, making it convenient for storage and transport. The writing surface is smooth and erases cleanly, leaving no residue. Number 2. Maxtek 60 by 36 Magnetic Whiteboard. Experience lasting quality with our dry erase board. Its robust aluminum frame and protective corners are built to withstand daily use and prevent damage. Unleash your creativity on a generous 59 by 35-inch magnetic surface. It's perfect for jotting down ideas, fostering collaboration, and essential for any learning environment. Setting up is a breeze with the included hardware. Easily hang it at any height with our custom screws and secure triangle hooks for a stable, slip-free experience. Keep your essentials close at hand with the integrated long tray. It's designed to hold markers, erasers, and other accessories, making your workflow smoother. This versatile board is perfect for a multitude of uses, from teaching and brainstorming to presentations and creative drawing. Its magnetic surface allows for easy display of notes and memos. Get started right away with included accessories. This package comes with 1 eraser, 3 markers, and 6 magnets, providing everything you need for immediate use. What we like. This large, wall-mounted option is perfect for environments where ample writing space is crucial, like classrooms or offices. Its foldable design helps with storage, and the included accessories make it a complete package. If you need a durable, spacious board for frequent use and collaboration, this is a smart investment. What people say. The whiteboard is very sturdy and stable, even when fully extended. It folds up compactly for easy storage and transport. The writing surface is smooth and erases cleanly. Number 1. Excello 40x60 Magnetic Folding Whiteboard. Maximize your space with this innovative folding whiteboard. When closed, it measures just 30 inches wide, perfect for any room. The front panels also offer additional writing space. Keep important documents, artwork, or your favorite magnets easily accessible. Its magnetic surface makes it ideal for displaying various items. Unfold it to reveal a generous 60-inch wide and 40-inch tall writing surface. It also includes a convenient tray for your markers and erasers. Enhance your lessons with this versatile teaching aid. You can reveal and conceal information dynamically, saving valuable time during each period. Crafted with high-quality, heavy-duty materials, this product is built to last. It's proudly made by Excello Global Products, a trusted family-owned USA company with over 50 years of experience. What we like. This whiteboard is a unique teaching tool that allows for dynamic lesson delivery. If you're an educator who likes to reveal information gradually or needs a large, versatile surface that folds compactly, this is an excellent option. Its multi-panel design offers flexibility for various teaching scenarios. What people say. The whiteboard is very sturdy and does not wobble when in use. It folds up neatly for storage and takes up very little space. The surface is smooth and erases cleanly, leaving no ghosting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.